was it 16? Is that the Echo Center? Broadway?
It's the rental place on.
Where the storage is down the road here.
Right there, Brawler, before you pass on the right.
To the right, yeah.
Sure,
Yeah.
but more importantly, the,
Yeah.
what you found at
The
the
needle.
playground, yeah, I'll
Well,
take care
yeah,
of 16.
that's my main thing. That's bad down there. The garbage, Rumpke bin, they fill it up, it runs over. They've been tossing it over the hill. Me and Rick's been picking it up down
Over the hill by
highway.
the railroad track?
Actually, it's under the underpass.
50, just on down 50.
It's right there where the underpass goes by, or the overpass, on the hillside there, just as you're heading towards.
What do you mean they're dumping it?
They're throwing it over the
I
hill.
think it
Because
falls,
the
I think it
dumpsters-
falls
Dumpsters
down.
full,
The
so there's-
dumpsters overflow.
Dumpster for who, the storage facility or the
Yeah,
apartment?
Yeah, it's
storage
I guess
and
it-
the apartment.
I don't know whose it is, but I'll show you a couple of pictures we took. We got more pictures, but, Rick took them on.
Do you call Rumpke and ask him who orders that dumpster?
Not yet, we just,
I think that, he has all those rental places in there, I think he's rehabbing a bunch of them.
Yeah.
So-
I'll show you that, but I wanna show you this
I'll
one
get on it
picture.
tomorrow. He told me about it tonight,
Yeah.
so.
I wanna show you this one, this one upsets me. I don't know what we can do about it.
Is this the playground?
Yes, this is at the playground area. These are needles that I've been finding on, and that's just the one right out where we got the Christmas tree now, where the sign is on the corner. And, but I've been finding them on the concrete area out here
Hypodermic?
too.
Hypodermic
Shooting out.
drugs.
Yes.
Yeah.
And, you know, like I said, my grandchildren play there.
So right back here?
Yes.
Well, on this corner.
Yeah.
On the corner or back here behind?
This one here was actually right down at the end of the street where where the
Yeah.
sign is right there.
Yeah.
That's where this one was found today. But I have found them on the playground area.
So are we seeing anything out from our cameras as to who
I
might
don't
be
know, I was
on
gonna
it?
ask Rick about if we can look up, I don't know if they're
I-
fixed.
He just showed me that tonight. So
Okay, so we need to make sure we're keeping an eye.
Yeah, so maybe, like, if you find it, you know,
Yeah, then
today,
yeah,
tell
we'll
us
just
and then
go
we
back
can
on the
go.
tapes and rewind and see who might be
Exactly.
out here shooting up.
Yeah, this one really upset me and my wife. I mean, this here's real bad. The other things is, like I said, is the dumpster. This is the dumpster, what it looks like. And they're, like I said, they're filling them up so much, and I think what it is Rumpke's not dumping them. I think they're taking the stuff off of it and throwing it off the side and then dumping it, because they've been filling the thing so much. But
They
then
won't
somebody's
take, they
throwing,
won't take an overload.
right, and then somebody's been throwing it over the hill. We actually picked up a toilet and a bunch of other garbage that they have thrown
Can we
over the
find,
hill.
is there someone over there you can see that's doing the rehabbing?
We haven't seen anybody. I don't know when they're throwing this out there, but we haven't seen anybody over there, so.
Why don't we find out who,
I think Marilyn said that's one that hasn't gotten back to her as far as
The rental
the
agreement's
rental
either.
agreement.
so, once again with the rental agreements, if people are not getting back to us, then we start instituting fines.
Yeah, and we gave them another 2 weeks, so we knocked out another 1, 2, 3, 4,
So the dumpster service
5.
is
I
at
think there's only 3
apartment
outstanding.
building or the storage area?
It's by the storage buildings, but I don't know who owns the dumpster. I mean, besides Rumpke, but I mean, I don't know who.
Yeah, we can call Rumpke and find out who they're delivering it for, who they're billing for the.
It looks like a lot of, like we said, like somebody's doing remodeling,
Yeah.
because we're finding, like I said, toilets, sinks. There's even a doghouse.
There's one thing of the theme right around the dumpster, but they're throwing it over the hill
Yes.
to where, I mean, that's,
There's actually, there's a vacuum cleaner down there now.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a doghouse, old wooden doghouse somebody threw over there.
well, keep track of everything you've done, because whoever we find out has been renting that and has been using it, they're gonna get a bill from us for the time we spend on removing that waste.
Yeah,
I
clothes.
mean, this idea of
everything.
people thinking they can just do whatever they want, whenever they want is,
Yeah.
so,
Yeah, it was looking kind of raggedy. So
So
we
keep
picked it
track
up
of
once
everything.
and it's back here again, so.
yeah. Keep track of, what you've been doing and, we'll definitely, and then on these rental permits, if there's still 3 outstanding, we're not sending any more notice, we're just starting
Yeah,
to.
we're at that point. I think
Yeah.
they have another, like, week,
Yeah.
but, yeah.
Other than that, everything's good. And you were talking about Taylor High School, I went there, and this is a little story, my, kids went there. And I remember going back, this was at the old school, and I remember going back, cause they were, wanting to, do some rehab or something at that time. And they had a big thing going around, people really wanted to sign the paper for it. And, my daughter, we was up there to one of her basketball games, and I was like, she took me back to the locker area, and I was like, oh my goodness. I said, this looks the same as when I went here, and the paint, I think, is still the same color. I said, so where I know where this money's going to.
Well, you gotta go to the new one, cause they.
I've been there, the new one is great,
Oh, my
New one
gosh.
is, they've done a great job with that, and they keep it so clean.
yes.
And
That's
it's-
right.
they really-
Unbelievable, yeah. But yeah, I have been to the new one, actually, we do a scholarship for my granddaughter, every year for down there, so.
Yeah.
That's
But
great.
yeah, the school down there now is really, really nice.